I have HUAWEI Mate 10 Pro, and let me show you how to use secret codes on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using a home screen. Here you have to find and select the phone's dialer, and let's start by opening the project menu. So let's use the following combination of keys, the following code *# 2846579 #*#*. As you may notice, the project menu just pops up. Here you can navigate by tapping appropriate options. You can choose, for example, the background settings. Here you can choose the background debug. You can choose open or close, change the USB port settings. Right now you are using the high suite mode, and set, for example, UI theme color. Let me tap cancel. So let's go back. And right now you can choose the venue information. Here you've got the version info. The device is processing. Let's wait a few seconds. This is the version information. Let's go back. You can choose the manufacturer info, other info such as the serial number, audio parameter and other stuff, and verify key. You have to input the password. So let's go back right here, and you may choose network information query. Here you can choose, for example, SIM log info right here, and in my case SIM log is deactive, so it's very useful information. You can choose also vendor country info right here. In my case it's Europe. Let's go back. So you can also choose software upgrade and upgrade your device by using the SD card. Let's go back. You can choose restore factory, but let's be careful with that operation because it is the hard reset operation, so you will lose all your data if you perform the restore factory from the following menu. You can also choose the battery charge, and here you can select and read the battery level and battery temperature. So let's go back. Let me quit the project menu, and this time let me open the testing menu of the HUAWEI Mate 10. So let's input *# 6130 #*#. As you can see, testing menu just pops up. Here you can also navigate by tapping the operation, the options. Let's choose phone information at first, and here you have to choose your SIM card. Let it be the first one. And here you've got the email number, phone number, current network, data network time, data service, call redirecting and other stuff. You can also run a ping test or choose more key in order to view SIM address book, view fixed dialing numbers, view service dialing numbers, get PDPDs or enable data connection. So let's go back. You can also choose usage statistics, and here you've got the list of all applications from the following device, and you can read such things as last time used or usage time. So let's go back again, choose Wi-Fi information. Here you can select the Wi-Fi API, when you can disable network, disconnect network, enable network, get configured network or get connection info. Let's go back, choose Wi-Fi config, and if you have some configured networks, here you should find the full specification about them. Let's go back again and choose the Wi-Fi status. Here you've got the status about your Wi-Fi. So let's go back a couple of times right here. Let me quit the testing menu, and this time let's open about phone information. Let's just type in *#* 0000 #*#. As you can see, about phone just pops up. As simple as that. Let's go back again, and this time let's open the calendar info. So let's use *# 225 #*#, and the calendar information just pops up. You can read contacts, holidays in your country, phone, and other events from your, for example, Google account. Let's go back, and this time let me open the Google Play Services mode. So let's use *#* 426 #*#, and that's it. Google Play Services just pops up right here, so you can read the full specification about your Google Play Services account. You can choose ping, connect, disconnect or events. Let's go back and choose the Debugg UI. So let's use *#* 759 #*#, and Sometimes in some of the Huawei devices the Debugg UI menu should pop up. And at the end of the secret codes, let me show you how to check the email number by using the special code. Let's just use *#06#, and as you may notice, the email number of your device just pops up. Let's tap OK to close this window, and that's it. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.